Dang, he going fast with that car. But yeah, the trail go deeper. I just came out of the trail. Just imagine nighttime. Get over. Alright, y'all. We on the trail. I'm putting on 3. It's another way I could go. It's this way. Something back there. Go through here. I go through here. Wow, this trail is deep. Hello. Bro, she scared the shit out of me. Oh. She scared the shit out of me, yo. I ain't gonna lie. She was like a witch. One of them witches that's off of, dang, what's that show called? America, Horror Story. Bro, she scared the crap out of me. Going through here, it's crazy. And out. Sand. The trail go deeper than that. I see more pathways, but you know, I ain't going back all the way back there. I just got off work, but the trail go deeper than that. I've seen. Super early today, guys. Gotta head to work early today, but you know, it is what it is. I'm about to fall out of my pocket. Oh, the speaker's on? Yup, it is. The good thing about this though is it might rain. thing about this is I get to go home early after I get fitted to the truck and restock. I don't think nobody right behind me. Nope. Stretch. Don't need my light no more. Shit. Everything closed, bro. That's a good thing about this. Yeah. Why does this thing keep opening? It's not supposed to open, bro. I know exactly what I'm about to do. I'm about to tie that so it won't open again, bro. Okay, guys. See you later. See you again.